Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of Carl's Classic Car Garage. It's winter time here in Albuquerque, New Mexico. It's December 2025, and I thought this was an appropriate time to talk about battery maintenance for your vehicle. I have two cars. I have this Mustang that I've been working on, and I have a 1950 Ford Shoebox kind of hot rod looking car. And I just wanted to show you an item here that I like to use to keep my batteries fresh and keep them up to par here so they don't discharge during the winter. So let me show you what I got. So here's the brand I like to use. It's a Trickle charger. It's by Noco. They got a variety of different sizes of these units, and these little small ones are pretty affordable, and they'll do 6 volt, 12 volt, AGM and lithium batteries, and they're kind of, sorry about that, it's automatic. You just plug it in and let it do its thing, and it's just trickle charges, and you can leave it plugged in all the time. And it's just got your standard alligator clamps. One thing I tend to do also, just kind of as a precaution, is I'll disconnect the negative lead off my battery if I know I'm not going to be driving my car for a period of time, like if it's just in storage over the winter time. Because with these old cars, you tend to get like a phantom battery drain from devices or something that might be, running in the background there that you're not aware of. So yeah, I just wanted to point that out to you. It's got this little plug together device and the cord, and it comes ready to use. So I'll put a link in the description if that's something you think you're interested in. They also have some other devices that are bigger and a little more powerful. They also got battery jumpers and things like that. That's another thing I do keep in my car when I'm cruising. As many of you guys know, if you are out and about in your old car, I'm certain at least some of you have dealt with a scenario where you get to where you're going, car show, whatever, you park, the car was running fine, you're finished doing what you're doing, and you come back to get in your car and the battery's dead, it doesn't want to start. So I'll put a link to those little battery jumpers, those little kind of, small devices you can just keep in your trunk. I do that as well. I have one of those that I'll keep in whatever vehicle I'm cruising in that day. So yeah, just a little something I thought that was appropriate for winter time. So if you get a chance, click the link below, and please, if this was helpful to you, please like, subscribe, share it. I do make a little bit of small commission off of any of the links that are in my description. That's at no additional cost to the viewers. So if you could help me out by clicking on those links, I would appreciate it, and I'll keep the content coming. Thanks for watching.